Hey everyone, so I see that you're interested in the Dorik agency plan. Agency plan is basically built for agencies who makes websites for their clients, or for some reason they make a lot of websites. So in the agency plan we have a lot of domains for you to choose from, and it starts from usually 25 domains. So let me show you a demo of the agency plan. Dorik's agency plan helps you build websites for your clients under your own brand. We have a lot of agency owners who use Dorik to build websites for their clients, and they seem to be pretty happy. Don't take our word for it, listen to them. Dorik's agency plan allows you more customizability and gives you a lot of ready designs that helps you save time, maintain structure, and keep the design professional while you build websites for your clients. We also allow agency owners to use the white label dashboard where they can put up their logo, add custom branding, and a lot of other good stuff. This is an account I have under the agency plan. Let's create a website. We're gonna quickly click on create new site with AI. Let's build a website for a client who owns a bakery. So we're going to write a prompt over here that describes the website. Once you've written your prompt, you can click on generate. We're just gonna wait for a little bit, maybe grab a cup of coffee and watch our website come to life. This takes about like 30 seconds and you can already see the website already built the hero section according to my prompt. Hold up, I'm just gonna grab a cup of coffee. Oh, this is just my burger mug. Wow, look at this website. I wrote the word vibrant in my prompt and it really took care of that. Plus, also, I see that the design is pretty modern. It kept everything in line. You can see it for yourself and try it. Okay, you know what? I think a lot of people are going to call me out on the hero section because it doesn't, let's be honest, it does look a little bit off. Let's try and fix a few things, but it's just gonna take me 2 clicks to do this. This paragraph is pretty small. It's giving away a lot of empty spaces. So I want to fill this space up. I'm just gonna ask AI to lengthen the sentence and it's going to create a bigger sentence according to the stuff that's written in the paragraph already. There you go. I see that there's no CTA here. So I'm just gonna go on click add new element below and I'm just going to add a regular button, or I can add some saved buttons that maybe I had on my previous designs or something. This is all here. So I'm going to add an existing button and there you go, my button's here. If you don't like the color, you can always change it from AI quick style by simply clicking on a few colors here and there. As you can see, the colors are changing and these colors are actually suggested with our AI, and it keeps in mind the niche that you're doing. For example, this is a bakery, so it's much likely that you will use colors that are of this kind of similar palettes. The fonts that Dorik AI suggests are also based on the type of website that you build. Now that that's out of the way, let me show you what the agency dashboards can look like and the features. As I said, this is an agency account that I'm using. I can go here and click on agency setting, and in this settings option, I can unlock client billing to send invoices to my clients, and I can receive payments based on that. I can also see my past invoices, and I can also set up SMTP. If you're wondering how you can invite your clients into a certain website, so let's say you're building a website for your client and you want to show it to your client so they can see what's going on in the backend, or you want to give them access to that CMS. This is how you do it. Let's go into one website and see. Okay, this is a finished website for my client and I want to invite them to see and check if everything's up to date, or I want to hand it over to them so they can make edits. What I would do is simply go to advanced configuration, add a team member. So you can add team members as your clients and give them access according to what you want them to view. So let's say your client has an email address, give them a name and add a member role. Let's make them the admin. When I click on send invitation, they will receive an email from the website, and that email is going to be, of course, white labeled. No sign of Dorik, you're just using it under your own agency's brand. If you want to add more customization to the agency dashboard, you can go to agency config. Here you can add your own logo. You can also add a chat service provider where you can talk to your clients regarding any issue. Dorik's agency plan also has a white label documentation, which, by the way, is going to be sent to you once you purchase the agency plan. It's white label, it's a huge help desk, basically has no branding of Dorik, and you can just add your own labels, add your own colors, and give it to your clients so they can use the product. Another big thing about the agency plan is that you will have your own account exec who is going to take care of all your needs. They're going to be there to support you for any fixes, any issues. It will be a topmost priority because agencies are businesses. We're businesses too. We understand. And issues can affect our business. The agency plan starts from 25 domains where you get access to all the features of Dorik. What I mean by 25 domains is you can add 25 custom domains to that, and it starts from $249 a month to $19.99 a year. You pay that once a year, and for the monthly, you pay it every month. This plan can go up to 250 domains or more if you want. If you have a specific requirement, you can always book a call with me and we can discuss your requirements. Most agency owners see a 80% profit margin from every website they build. The websites that you build will be professional. If you want to talk further, you can always contact me, book a call with me in this widget, or you can purchase the plan yourself by sending an email to sales@dorik.com with your agency's name, description, the amount of domains you need. Thank you and hope this helped you guys.